Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get a lot of Zeni if you do not have a lot of Zeni for the EZA for upgrade your character. You can get the Zeni a lot from this event. So what you need to do is tap this mission. All you have to do is very simple, but if you are a new player it's very difficult because you do have a limit character. Let's tap the event. This one, worldwide celebration extreme Z awakening support campaign. You can total get this 88 of this. This is the platinum Zeni that you can get. I mean a diamond, not a platinum, diamond Zeni. So it worth one is worth about 5 million Zeni you can get per one card. So you get 6, it means you get about 30 million Zeni if you perform 7 steps of EZA. If you do not have this specific character like Trunks, Zamas, you can EZA this one, PHY type and int type or tag type. So there are 5 types character that you have to EZA and get this diamond Zeni. So please free to try, it's worth and it's very challenging. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.